Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering crime detection and investigation. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Crime detection and investigation. Review questions, Set 1A. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. It deals with the identity, location, and arrest of a person who commits a crime and simultaneously identify, collect, preserve and evaluate evidence for the purpose of bringing criminal offender to justice. A. Investigation. B. Criminal investigation. C. Investigative process. D. Criminal inquest. After identifying, collecting, and preserving information gathered about the crime, the investigator shall such information to determine whether it can stand prosecution and trial. A. Recognize. B. Collect. C. Preserve. D. Evaluate. Which of the following is not one of the form of information the investigator obtained from regular, cultivated or grapevine sources? A. Sensory. B. Written. C. Concrete. D. Physical forms. Through this tool of criminal investigation, tangible things may be used to detect crimes, identify the criminals, facilitate, and assist the investigator in its task in achieving the objectives of criminal investigation. A. Information. B. Criminalistics. C. Instrumentation. D. Interview/interrogation. Which phase of criminal investigation that the investigator apprised the person of his right under Republic Act 7438? A. During the identification of criminal offender. B. During the arrest, detention, and interrogation of the offender. C. During the gathering of evidence to prove the guilt of criminal offender. D. During police lineup. What specific offense has been committed? Who committed it? When it was committed? Where it was committed? Why it was committed? And how it was committed? This are called blank of criminal investigation. A. Cardinal points. B. 3 eyes. C. Golden rule. D. Bridges burn. One of the stages of criminal investigation is the identification of criminals, which can be done in any or a combination of the following, except A. By confession or admission by the criminal. B. By corpus delicti. C. By circumstantial evidence. D. By eyewitness. Coerced and uncounseled statements are considered involuntary or forced confession, which are usually in A. Judicial. B. Extrajudicial. C. Prosecutorial. D. Admission. After APPRizing him of his rights under Republic Act 7438, Loro Galit, who was invited and interrogated for the crime of murder, executed an extrajudicial confession acknowledging his guilt to the crime charged. What is the effect of such confession to his case? A. It can be used as evidence against him. B. He will be convicted for the crime of murder. C. He waived his rights to prove his innocence. D. His case will prosper. Which of the following is not an element of corpus delicti? A. Proof of the occurrence of certain event. B. Person's criminal responsibility for the acts. C. Additional evidence of a different character to the same point. D. Proper chain of custody. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.